Hey there, food lovers, and welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of lemons, those zesty little wonders that pack a punch of flavor and a whole lot of goodness. Lemons are like sunshine in a bowl, bringing brightness and zest to our kitchens and our lives. We're going to explore the magic of lemons, from their fascinating history to their incredible health benefits and endless culinary uses. Get ready to pucker up and discover the endless possibilities of these tangy treats. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, there's always something new to learn about these versatile citrus fruits. So, grab a glass of lemonade, settle in, and let's embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of the mighty lemon. From savory dishes to sweet treats, cleaning solutions to beauty remedies, lemons have earned their place as a staple in homes around the world. Their tangy juice, fragrant zest, and even the pith and seeds offer a surprising array of uses. So, are you ready to unlock the power of the lemon? Lemons, those bright yellow citrus fruits, have a history as rich and vibrant as their flavor. Originating in Southeast Asia, lemons have a long and fascinating history. They spread along trade routes, reaching the Middle East and the Mediterranean. Sailors carried lemons on long voyages to prevent scurvy, which is a disease resulting from a lack of vitamin C. Lemons were prized for their medicinal properties and were used as an antidote for poisons. They also flavored food and drinks, serving as a symbol of wealth and luxury. Lemons aren't just delicious, they're also packed with nutrients. They are a fantastic source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps boost our immune systems and protect our bodies from damage. Think of vitamin C as your body's superhero, fighting off those nasty free radicals that can lead to illness. But the health benefits of lemons don't stop there. They're also a good source of potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure. And let's not forget about the fiber content in lemons, which aids digestion and keeps things moving smoothly. Lemons are also known to have antibacterial and antiviral properties, making them a natural remedy for coughs and colds. A warm glass of lemon water with honey is a soothing and comforting drink when you're feeling under the weather. Some people believe that lemons can even help with weight loss by promoting fullness and reducing cravings. While more research is needed, the potential health benefits of lemons are undeniable. Incorporating lemons into your diet is a simple and delicious way to boost your overall health and well-being. Now let's talk about the fun part, using lemons in our everyday cooking. Lemons are incredibly versatile and can brighten up any dish, from breakfast to dessert. Their tangy juice adds a burst of flavor to sauces, marinades, and dressings. One of the simplest ways to enjoy lemons is by adding a squeeze of fresh lemon juice to your water. It's a refreshing and hydrating drink that's perfect any time of day. You can also add slices of lemon to your water for an extra flavor boost. Lemons are also a natural pair for seafood. A squeeze of lemon juice over grilled fish or shrimp adds a bright acidity that balances out the richness. You can also use lemon zest in seafood dishes for an extra layer of flavor. Lemons add a citrusy aroma and flavor to cakes, cookies, and pies. Their zest and juice are commonly used in batters, glazes, and frostings. Whether you're using lemon juice, zest, or even the whole lemon, there are endless ways to incorporate these zesty fruits into your culinary creations. Lemons aren't just for the kitchen. These versatile citrus fruits have many uses around the house, in your beauty routine, and even in your garden. Discover how lemons can make your life easier and more vibrant. Lemons are a natural cleaning agent. Their acidic juice cuts through grease and grime, perfect for cleaning. Lemons can also brighten your skin. The citric acid acts as a natural exfoliant. In the garden, lemons deter pests and fertilize plants. Lemons offer natural alternatives to harsh chemicals due to their high citric acid content. Their natural acidity neutralizes alkaline substances, making them useful for cleaning and disinfecting surfaces safely and naturally. The versatile lemon, a zest for every occasion. From savory dishes to sweet treats, cleaning solutions to beauty remedies, the versatility of lemons knows no bounds. Preserving lemons is a fantastic way to enjoy their flavor year-round. Preserved lemons add a unique, salty, and aromatic touch to Moroccan tagines and Middle Eastern dishes. Lemon-infused oils and vinegars capture the essence of this citrus fruit. From seed to zest. Imagine stepping into your backyard and plucking a fresh, juicy lemon right off your own tree. Growing your own lemon tree is a rewarding experience that allows you to enjoy the fruits of your labor. While lemons thrive in warm climates, you can still grow them successfully indoors or in containers if you live in a colder region. Choose a sunny spot for your lemon tree, either in your garden or in a large pot indoors. Lemon trees need at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. Well-draining soil is essential for healthy lemon trees. Amend your soil with compost or peat moss to improve drainage. Water your lemon tree deeply and regularly, especially during the hot summer months. Allow the soil to dry out slightly between waterings to prevent root rot. Fertilize your lemon tree regularly during the growing season with a citrus-specific fertilizer. With proper care and attention, your lemon tree will reward you with an abundance of fragrant blossoms and juicy lemons. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of harvesting your own homegrown citrus fruits. Lemon myths and facts, separating truth from fiction. Lemons have been around for centuries, and with their long history come a few myths and misconceptions. Let's debunk some common lemon myths and uncover the truth behind these citrus wonders. One common myth is that lemons alkalize the body. While it's true that lemons contain citric acid, which is alkaline outside the body, once metabolized, lemons actually have an acidic effect on the body. However, this doesn't mean they're bad for you. The acidity of lemons is mild and doesn't disrupt the body's natural pH balance. Another myth is that lemon juice can whiten teeth overnight. While lemon juice does have some natural bleaching properties, it's important to use it with caution. The acid in lemon juice can erode tooth enamel over time, leading to tooth sensitivity. It's best to stick to dentist-recommended whitening methods. Enjoy lemons for their flavor, their nutritional value, and their many uses, but always do so in moderation and with accurate information. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, which boosts the immune system. But what does that really mean? Vitamin C is essential for the growth and repair of tissues in all parts of your body. It helps heal wounds and repair and maintain healthy cartilage, bones, and teeth. Lemons contain a type of fiber called pectin. Pectin slows down the digestion of sugars and starches, which can lead to improved gut health and a more balanced blood sugar level. Hydration is another crucial benefit. Adding lemon to your water not only makes it more enjoyable to drink, but also provides essential electrolytes. This can help you stay hydrated, especially during hot weather or intense exercise. The pectin fiber expands in your stomach, helping you feel fuller for longer. This can be a valuable tool in maintaining a healthy weight. Research shows that lemons can improve skin quality. The antioxidants in lemons help to neutralize free radicals, which can reduce signs of aging and help you maintain a youthful glow. Lastly, lemons can prevent kidney stones. Citric acid, found in lemons, increases urine volume and pH, creating a less favorable environment for kidney stone formation. Incorporating lemons into your diet can lead to numerous health benefits. These little yellow fruits are true superstars in the world of nutrition. Now let's continue our journey and embrace the magic of lemons in our everyday lives. A final squeeze, the magic of lemons. As we've discovered on our zesty adventure, lemons are so much more than just a sour citrus fruit. They're a culinary staple, a natural cleaning agent, a beauty enhancer, and a source of numerous health benefits. From their ancient origins to their modern-day uses, lemons have earned their place as a versatile and beloved ingredient in kitchens and homes around the world. So the next time you spot a bowl of bright yellow lemons at the grocery store, don't just walk on by. Grab a few or a dozen and embrace the magic of lemons. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.